Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Ray Bolt.
I had you through the long dark night, out on the open sea. My faith alone, side unknown, and yet His love watching me. The anchor holds, though the ship is battered. The anchor holds, though the sails are told. Well, I have fallen on my knees as I face the raging sea, but the anchor holds in spite of the storm. I've had vision, I've had dreams. Well, I will have them in my hand, but I never knew those dreams could slip right through, like they were only grains of sand. Oh, the anchor holds, though the ship is battered. The anchor holds, though the sails are told. Well, I have fallen on my knees as I face the raging sea. The anchor holds in spite of the storm. Now I have been young, I am old now. Oh, and there has been beauty, these eyes have seen. But it was in the night I face the storms of life. Oh, that's where God proved His love to me. Anchored, though the ship is battered. The anchor holds, though the sails are told. I have fallen down on my knees
Hey guys, woo. As you know, I've been in abscess tooth, oral surgery, then another one. Really, Lord? You know, why should I even ask Him? He has a purpose for everything. He wants me to be a fighter. He wants me to show everybody that you should never give up on Him. Then another tooth, then another surgery. The pain, the infection, then a cold, then a cough, then a sore throat, then fluid in my lungs. And you know, today I said, you know, I'm going to feel sick. Sitting in my chair, laying in my bed. Or I can go get in the pool. And I got in the pool, and I did not plan to play that song. But what it's about is, no matter what you're going through, if you have Jesus Christ in you, and if you love the Lord with all your heart, your anchor will hold you through the raging seas. And boy, I have felt the raging seas. At one point when my mouth was hurting and I was having an infection, and then I was coughing, and then my stomach was bad, and then my throat hurt, and then I couldn't breathe, and then I had fluid, and then I was on antibiotic, and then I was like, there is no way I'm going to ever get back in that pool. I'm going to have to start completely over and just stand in it. But Lord, I'm going to do it. And that's what I expected to do today. I expected to come in here today and crawl in this pool and be able just to stand. And I was going to thank the Lord for it. But you know, when I put on His praise music, He just takes over my body, my soul. So, whatever you're going through, hang on. And like I said, if you have Jesus, your anchor will hold. Did you see me holding my anchor? I love you guys. And I know this has been a roller coaster of up and downs. It is for me every day. I never know from one day to the next if I'm going to have stroke level blood pressure or bottom out blood pressure, or a low heart rate or too fast a heart rate. I just have to deal with it daily. And I hope that I haven't harmed any of you or hurt any of you by my ups and downs. But think of it like a roller coaster. You know, you're going up, but then way, you have fun going down.